is my list of portfolio websites, and as you can see we have for gym, fitness, yoga, villas, and also local businesses. So we can see here we can have this hero section. We can update with your own colors. We can change the font as you want. Look, there are a lot of animation, a lot of hover and zoom in, zoom out. We can make your own schedule. We can make your searchable by teacher, for example, and also by class name. We can also type here. So let's say Marco or teamwork. Then we highlight the classes for the calendar. We can show your payment plan. We can show the staff. We can make more pages. We can link your social medias, of course. Let's see another example. Here is another example. We can make it a carousel. Here behind we change the picture. The menu we change here. This is really cool also. Velocity. We go so cool effect. Here is the same but showing a different way. The days are on the left, and we click, we highlight the classes. So payment plan, again we can click here, open a new page for the teacher. Quite same idea but different layout. This is more black and white. We can make pages. Here is the calendar. Here is the how we show the class we want. Payment. Let's move to another one. This is really cool with this glow effect behind the pictures. We can make carousel. We can be changing pictures here each 2 seconds, for example. We can make your things what you have here, more programs. Here is a really cool show agenda also. Let's say you have a yoga center, or doesn't matter, you have this idea about showing the moon phases. As you can see, we are in June. We show like the beginning of the month we had full moon, then the moon is going smaller, and then full moon again. And for each day we click, we open the class here. Quite similar, always same idea. For yoga center we have this theme, passing more tranquility, more peace. These are the classes. Always everything really searchable, always working really good for mobile view also. We have menus like another one. This same idea, the full moon, we show the moon as calendar together. You can see the class. Let's go to the next one. We click here, the days of the week or the teacher. We highlight the calendar. The next one, always with this idea. Here is the classes, payment, staff. The last one, this is really cool, more dark, and here represent the classes. Now I'm going to show you some villa layouts. For example, we can make a booking, we can connect with Airbnb, with your channel manager or booking. One more. Same idea. I have 10 examples for villa. Oh, look at this. Let's say we have 5 villas and then we want to show all in your main villa website. And here you can click here also, then you come back, we connect what you offer. Here are reviews, we connect with Instagram, Facebook, Google Maps, we can send you message straight. This one, look how this is cool. You scroll and they change the here. We force the user to pass through all places, then you keep scrolling. Really cool effect. The next one, I don't know, all of them are really beautiful. Here we can show a carousel also, where we change this background picture. Next one, this is more like this, you know. Now I have like local businesses. Let's say you have a barber shop, you wanna make open hours, Google Maps, like this is more for brunch, cafe. This is more for food also. We can show your menu. This is for massage. And for example here, we can